Alright, so I'm checking this GE dishwasher. So I already checked the breaker. The breaker's on. Everything is good, but no lights. So if I hold it for the 3 seconds, nothing happens. So I'm thinking it's the board. That's the model number. What it looks like inside. So what I'm gonna do is, with these type of units or models, you gotta take this whole door off. So I already took the plate off, and then start taking the springs that go up here on these sides, and then just start taking the door apart. And then this little thing right here, this mullet plug will have to come out too, but I'll get at it. Okay, so so I'm trying to get this rope. This was holds on to the actual cabinet of the dishwasher. So you have the little pulley, and then back all the way under here somewhere, I'm holding the spring with my other arm and just trying to lift up. So I'm pulling the string towards me, and then grab this piece and pop it open, or pop it out. So this is probably the sucky part. Alrighty, so I already got the springs out. So all I'm gonna do is just open the door and just try to lift out. There you go. And then you got these little plugs right here. Just start taking these off. Like that. Now I got the whole door disconnected. So I'm gonna take this screw off first. Then after that, there's another screw right here, and then this whole thing comes out. So now this piece comes out. See? And the screw, just put it back if I'm gonna lose it. Then I have this other one in here. Take that one out. Alright, so this piece is like the vent. So I'm gonna take this piece off. So now this door should be able to come out with a little oomph to it. Alright, so you gotta force this door out. this way. So I got both of them disconnected. So now this is where your board is at. So you turn it around. You got all your screws right here. This is where your board is going to be at. You got this mullet plug right here that you're going to take off. So you got this screws here. This one. So this one, that one, that one, that one are little ones, but these two right here are the tall ones. So these are the funny ones. So this is, they're not even really like tight in there. So when you put it back, like once you put the board in, just for example, you just put this bad board back in there. Start screwing it down. So you can just stop once it goes there, because if you keep going, all they do is just turn. It's not tightening anything. These right here will tighten. The little ones. Okay, so this is the OG board that's not working. This is the new one. And this is the model number. So with these new boards, I guess they're universal. You can use them however. But you got these pins right here. So you have to look on your manual. But I already know with these, the two outside ones are going to cover this little spade right here, and the little ones are going to be right here. So for example, let me set it up for you guys. Okay, so this is how you need to set this up. Just like that. Alright, so you got the new board in, the old one's right there. So just make sure that all these buttons, you can move them before you install them. So like this one, okay, there you go. So just gotta do a little minor adjustments on it. There you go. Okay, so what I ended up doing before I put everything back, I just plugged it in because I left the breaker on. Probably would be a good idea to turn it off, but I just left it on because they got the dogs over there. But I just plugged it in right here. Make sure this plug is plugged in there, and then yeah, see, now you got light. So I should be able to switch. Yeah, see, bam. Okay, so all I gotta do is just put the doors back. Yes, sir. There you go.